Good morning, kiddos. Happy Monday. Here we are in main teams page. Let me make it, I don't want to make it like that. Stretch it out so we can see everything we're doing. So today you are working on your study guide, and I have uploaded the assignment for you here in assignments. But also I have distributed in your class notebook all the stuff you need. So I gave you both the study guide. So let's choose a person here and go through. So first, I think we're going to look in class notes, and there you find your study guide. Only the first page is the one that you can't type on it. All the other pages you can type on. I made them background. But to help you with this activity, I believe I distributed the study guide videos. So all 3 government teachers are going through there, and you should be able to find a video that helps you fill in your study guide. Children, it's a good idea to watch and watch and watch and write and write and write. Do your study guide, get her done, and we'll play games with it all week. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Have a great Monday. Enjoy Miss Donaldson. Bye.